So good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the news highlights for today. Fundraising for Newport Logistics Fund II is to close at the end of June 2024. Kaufland Market Space has expanded to Poland and Austria. Panettone delivers 22,000 square meters of warehouse park in Krakow. And Future Real has finished the Wrocław Tower retrofitting. So those are the highlights for today. My name's Winston Norman and good morning, Craig.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Yeah, good morning, Winston. Well done. Very exciting highlights, and I'll be interested to hear the full bit of news coming up for this exciting Tuesday morning. Well, we're here in Warsaw at our MRP studios here at the new work offices in Praga. All a great day today. We're working on our, it's kind of like the last week before the holidays, I think, coming up, but we're working on our Baltic Real Estate Awards taking place May 23rd in Sopot, Poland, on the Polish Riviera. We promise great weather. We hope you will all come on the 22nd, 23rd. We're covering of course, northern Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia, the Nordics area. So a lot of projects, a lot of new investors coming, and great opportunities on both sides from the let's call it the South Baltic and Poland, and of course all the projects going on in the Baltics and in Scandinavia. So come on and join us for that. We're doing it at the Radisson Blu Hotel. A lot of new sponsors, a lot of new faces. Take a look at our website, which is balticrealestateawards.eu, or drop us a message. We'll be happy to send you some further information. So right now we'll take a break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second annual EuropaProperty Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 23rd, held in the beautiful beachside city of Sopot, which is part of the Tri-City area on the Polish Riviera, Baltic coast, and held once again at the Radisson Blu Hotel. Countries covered for the awards, of course, include Poland, the Baltics, which is Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia and the Nordics, Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Norway, as well as Northern Germany. Book your ticket, sponsorship, and place your nominations on our website, balticrealestateawards.eu. Also, feel free to email me or give me a call for more details. So welcome back, and Winston, great highlights, great information that you gave us. So tell us what's going on in more detail.
Yeah, sure, Craig. So today we'll start with Newport Logistics Fund II, which has raised more than 70% of the planned amount that it's fundraising at the moment, and the fundraising is set to end in June 2024. They've raised around 70 million euros, and they've already invested this money into 5 projects in Western Europe, which is the countries include Austria, the Netherlands, France, Sweden, and Germany. And Newport Logistics Fund, as you obviously know, offers the opportunity to invest in the development of industrial logistics. And they're seeking to, there's obviously huge demand for this sector throughout Europe at the moment.
Absolutely.
And the fund finances the full investment cycle of properties in partnership with its market-leading partner, Panettone. And this strategic cooperation gives the fund an access to the best projects, as well as a leading track record in the construction and commercialization of industrial logistics and developments throughout Europe.
Yeah, they are definitely the guys to invest with if you're looking at logistics in Western Europe.
Yeah, definitely. And there's still time to invest in that fund.
So 30% to go. So time's ticking.
Yeah, just your savings, Craig.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they've got it already.
Moving on, and in the retail sector, the Kaufland Marketplace has expanded to Poland and Austria, and Kaufland continues to drive this strategy forward. And they recently launched marketplaces in Slovakia and the Czech Republic, and now they are entering Poland and Austria this summer. And according to Kaufland's CEO of e-commerce, which is Gerald Schombucher, our Kaufland Marketplace has got off to a very good start in Europe. In Slovakia and the Czech Republic, we are already one of the largest online marketplaces in the country, and we're getting a lot of positive feedback from both retailers and customers. And accordingly, expansion into other countries is the next big and logical step for us this year. Moving on, and in the logistics sector, Panettone delivered 22,000 square meters in Krakow. This is City Logistics Krakow Airport II, and it's got an area of around 22,000 square meters, and the first stage has been leased to Allegro. And according to Philip Novorol, Senior Leasing Manager at Panattoni, CEE Logistics Krakow Airport 2 is perfectly located and is an attractive proposition for companies in the e-commerce industry and those operating in urban logistics. And finally, for today, staying in Poland, and Future Real Investment Partners has finalised the ESG repositioning of its Wrocławia Tower in Wrocław. During the process, the building received a BREEAM Excellent in Use certificate. And this retrofitting is following Future Real's strategy of office impact strategy, where older buildings are being redeveloped to meet modern ESG standards. And according to Karol Pilniewicz, CEO of Future Real Investment Partners, the project fits into our strategy, which focuses on value-added and opportunistic investments that are expected to deliver high returns. We continue to invest in properties with excellent potential in the office, retail, and logistics sectors. So those are the news highlights for today, Craig.
Well, very exciting. Good to see these older buildings also being taken a look at and redeveloped and made into ESG compliant buildings.
Yeah, there's a lot of potential business out there, it seems, because the majority of stock is old.
Right. Well, Carol and his team there at Future Real look like they're on top of it.
On top of that one, for sure.
Yeah, exactly. Well, thank you all for watching this Tuesday morning Coffee with Craig show, and we will see you Wednesday with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.